Okay, let's go over a couple of things we've added recently that are very helpful tools, and these are going to be under company settings, and they're the notifications and the logs. And to get to those, again, you come over here, main menu, settings and support, and then company settings. And they're the two menu items here off on the far right. And let's start with our notifications. And in our notifications, here's where you can get a basic workflow and have certain people assigned when certain things happen to certain or with certain in certain modules in Contractor Foreman. And so in the Notification Center, we have the columns here are module, create, edit, and completed. So the module is just what you can set your notifications on. There's all of our different modules. And now if, as example, somebody creates a new change order, so change order, one's created, I'm going to assign a contact, and this contact is who's going to be notified once a new change order is created. Now, we can add multiple people, so it's not just one, so I'll just leave that. Then if a change order is edited, somebody made changes to a change order, again, we can assign that contact, one or more people. Then some of the major things like forms and checklists, when they're done and they're completed, again, you can assign a contact. Just a nice handy way to have management type positions, stay on top of what's going on, get automatic notifications. They don't have to call, ask, did this get done, did that get done, as things are accomplished. They're just going to get the standard notification in Contractor Foreman. The other thing that we've added, got asked for it for a long time, is the log. And this is an activity log, an audit trail, if you will, of everything that happens in Contractor Foreman. And so again, you can see our columns here: user, action, module name, record ID, date and time. So up here you have your two drop downs. Select the user. I've got a search box here, so let's type in Chris Jackson. I can choose by module, or I can just leave that blank and it's going to give me everything as it took place. And then as you can see, it just keeps creating more and more pages down here. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it blank, because there's obviously a lot of modules, a lot of forms, a lot of everything in the system. So if you want to look at one in particular, you just pick it. And we can see that, using this one as an example, the first line, there was an update to estimates, the record ID, and there's the time, 7/5 at 12:04 p.m. I can go right to that simply by clicking on that record ID. It's going to take me over to that estimate, and I can see what took place because I also have my change log down here. So there's everything that took place with that estimate. It was actually created, I can see now, on 7/1 at 2:27 p.m. And there's the last action that took place 7/5 at 12:04. So just a very nice, clean, simple way. Again, call it an audit log, transaction log. It keeps you apprised of who did what and when in Contractor Foreman. Great. Hope that helps. Thanks, everybody.